What is the Mandela Effect? It is the massive collective misremembering of events that never actually occurred in our documented history. There are many theories surrounding this phenomenon, including multiple realities or the many worlds interpretation, matrix glitches, false memories, and the misinformation effect. This term was coined by Fiona Broome, a famous paranormal researcher and consultant while she was attending DragonCon in 2009 as a celebrity guest speaker. During one of the backstage conversations, a security manager made the comment, "This conversation reminds me of people who remember Nelson Mandela dying decades ago." Fiona was one of those people. She vividly remembered watching his funeral on TV. She decided to see if others remember the same things, only to realize that Mandela was just the tip of the iceberg. She decided to research this phenomenon and share her theories with the world, including living in the matrix and having glitches in the system causing false memories, parallel universes with parallel realities, and the most popular theory is that there are multiple realities and we are unknowingly sliding between them, causing us to remember things that happened in other realities, not necessarily our own. Fiona was not the only one to feel this way. The American physicist Hugh Everett III agreed and used quantum mechanics to substantiate her theories, renaming it to the many worlds interpretation. He then said the many worlds interpretation is the only completely coherent approach to explaining both the contents of quantum mechanics and the appearance of the world. There are two main components to Dr. Everett's many worlds interpretation. The first being a mathematical theory which yields a time evolution of the quantum state of the single universe, and second, a prescription which sets up the correspondence between the quantum state of the universe and our experiences. According to the Stanford Encyclopedia of Philosophy, the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics states that there are many worlds which exist in parallel at the same space and time as our own, and that there is only one singular universe, and the universe incorporates many worlds within it. Although the mathematics and probability theorems are available, the technology needed to prove the existence of parallel universes has not yet been created. While quantum mechanics and parallel realities are an exciting concept, Dr. Elizabeth Loftus, a psychologist and memory expert, has a differing opinion on why the Mandela Effect exists. Dr. Loftus claims that memories are constructed and can be reconstructed by outside sources over time. This is also known as the misinformation effect. She has also conducted studies that show how she can change a subject's memory just by the tone and verbiage used while asking questions about an event, thus creating false memories. She claims that the Mandela Effect is caused by misinformation and false memories, stating, "Just because someone thinks they remember something in detail, with confidence and with emotion, does not mean that it actually happened. False memories have these characteristics too." There are others who agree with Dr. Loftus, like doctoral neuroscience candidate Caitlin Ahmad, who states that memory is unreliable due to factors like suggestibility and confabulation. Suggestibility is the tendency to believe what others suggest to be true, while confabulation is the brain's attempt to fill in missing memory gaps by adding fabricated facts and experiences, meaning it is done so an individual can make sense of their memory. In the end, we have to decide which is more probable, the science behind the many worlds interpretation and quantum mechanics, or the science behind the brain and how memories work.